Today I'm going to tell you how to make fried rice. It is my favorite dish. First, we need some ingredients. We need 2 bowls of cooking rice, 2 eggs, 100 grams of chicken, 1 carrot, 2 springs onions, 2 cloves of garlic, cooking oil, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. First, wash the carrots and spring onions. Cut them into small pieces and cut the chicken too. Let's heat some oil in a pan. Add the garlic and cook for about 1 minute. Then add the chicken and cook for 3 minutes. After that, add the carrots. Now crack the egg into a pan and stir them well. Then add the cooked rice. Mix everything together. Add soy sauce, a little salt, pepper, cooking for about 5 minutes and keep stirring. Finally, add the spring onions, stir for 1 more minute. Then turn off the heat. Now the fried rice is ready. Serve it hot with chili sauce or cucumber. Fried rice is easy to make. It is and perfect for lunch or dinner.